Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This time I don't have any challenges. But I managed to find a weird sound. As you have already read the title and saw the thumbnail. Only kids can hear this weird sound. Yes, you heard it right. Generally people older than 18 years cannot hear the sound that I'm going to play. But as you know, exceptions are always there. But if you are older than 18 years and you hear this sound, that means you have a really powerful ear. Okay, are you ready for the weird sound that only kids can hear? But before I play the sound, let me tell you. It's a high frequency sound, so it would be better if you remove your headphone. And also, show this video to your parents and see their reaction. And the last thing, if you'll hear the sound, like the video, so I'll know how many people heard it. Weird sound playing in 3, 2, 1. Can you hear it? Let me know in the comments.